Hi guys, this is Geetanai from UK and welcome to Affincome Training Kit Review. It's online app. It's an online marketing app that generates income. So this is what's this about. It's going out on the 19th until 22nd of May. This is the link you need to click onto to grab the training kit. But before I go into review, I want to share with you all the bonuses I'm offering you that are completely free. Not only my bonuses, but vendors' bonuses as well. So to get the bonuses free, you need to get them before the time runs out. So let's start with bonuses. So bonus number 1 is worth $427 US. And you can access this bonus by clicking this link below, and the bonus is access Boomerang Buddy. So that is bonus number 1. And bonus number 2 is YouTube Super Training Hack. And you get that by clicking the link below, and that's free as well. And bonus number 3 is free as well, and this is access Continuum DFY, and you get that by clicking the link below. Bonus number 4 is Hack 10K Email Manifesto Case Study, and you get that by clicking that link below. So all those bonuses are completely free. On top of those bonuses, this is the bonus number 5, which is given to me by Endo to give it to you. And within this one bonus has lots of different bonuses in it. So it's worth a lot than the training product itself. So to get that, you click onto this link below. And make sure you get them by before the time runs out, because they expires once the time is run out. So let's get into the review. So what is Affiliate Income Training Kit is all about? Okay, so this is all-in-one video training to get started, and takes you through step by step everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. It comes with a video training that helps you in difficult pandemic time, like we are all going through difficult time at the moment. And it's the fastest and easiest way to make money online. And so this is to generate income easily and effortlessly. So if you are struggling to make your first affiliate commission, this is the easiest way of making money online. And prices and upsell starts from $17 US to $29. It's a training kit, software training module, and here are the benefits. So drop shipping, you get customer support, so you get support ticket questions, refund request, buying and storing inventory, and then your paid ad. So this is all the benefits, and you got 30 days money back guarantee. So to get that, you click onto the link below. So please look at the sales page and see if that's interests you, and then if you thinking of just trying it out for the lowest offer, please remember you get the bonuses completely free even if you go for the lowest offer. So don't forget to get all the bonuses, because you're entitled for all of them and they're completely free on top of my bonuses. And make sure you grab them before the time runs out, because the bonuses expires once the time has run out. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and I will see you at next review. So thank you.